Hi guys, this lesson's about recipe formats. Recipes are written in many different ways, which can make it hard for you to understand how to make them sometimes. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3 basic formats. Okay, the first one I want to talk to you about is the standard form. A standard form recipe has all the ingredients listed in the order that they will be used, followed by the instructions. It is the easiest and most popular type of recipe to use. Here's an example using Rice Krispie Treats of a standard format recipe. Standard form is used by restaurants. Think about this. You go to McDonald's and you order a McDonald's burger. You expect it to taste like a McDonald's burger, correct? Well, it only tastes that way because they have a standard recipe of making their burger. If there wasn't a standard recipe for the burger, it could taste like any other burger. Do you think that a McDonald's burger tastes just like a Burger King burger or your burgers that you make at home? No, it's because there's a standard recipe that they follow to make it the same every single time. The second form is the action form. An action form recipe has directions that are given and followed by the ingredients used in that step. Here's what I'm talking about. Here's the same Rice Krispie Treats, but this time it says, melt butter in a large saucepan over low heat, marshmallow cream, stir until completely removed from the heat. Then it says 3 tablespoons of butter in 1 jar of marshmallow cream. Add cereal. Then it says how much. And sometimes when the actions are going, it even says it in the actual sentences itself. Now this can be very difficult to follow because sometimes you don't see the pan you're supposed to use or the ingredients you're supposed to use until you're well into the recipe. Then we have the narrative form. This is the oldest version of recipes. It's how people used to write them before they knew how to write any other style of recipes. It was the first way recipes are written. The amount of ingredients are stated along with the directions in paragraph form. It's hard to follow unless the recipe is short. It's like a story. So here it is. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a large saucepan over low heat. Add 1 jar of marshmallow cream and stir until completely melted. Remove from the heat. Add 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. Stir until well coated. See, it's like I'm telling you while I'm sitting right there saying, okay, now do this next, now do this next, now do this next. That's the narrative form. Okay, now you've seen the 3 basic forms with a real quick outlay of them. I want you to look at the PowerPoint presentation and the attached cheat sheet. And then I want you to identify the different forms of recipes on the activity. And guess what? They're all missing something important. I want you to identify that too. Then, here's the hard part. Go out and find one of each of the 3 forms and upload them for me or put them on your paper. Thank you.